Ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesrel, like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you believe. Ebusian what you say? Your mama no. Go for no. There is no hope. There is no ebeye krana. Omuya de bia enjaika ensusuka. Because hope I say hope dear. That's what be a new mind winning until 2029. MPP fall back to power. And that's what be a mind winning. Mtia mujidi. Yes, see, money does not change a person. Money reveals the true character of everyone. And then I may say, "Enukre." The reason I'm saying this is anka baby asami Gyamfi free baby anyakopon ehun ne mobo afanu free na oti kumasi oti no na enye dwuma papa bia na oye minka se oye ebia uto nsan wo blue kiosk ma enye dwuma papa o but ye kase ejuma ediska bank sa ebia sa ejuma na enkan okay na nyakopon ahommobo efa free ho edi be join politics as we say there usu obia ni mu oman we mu because umbu ade obia dem so umbu ade you don't have any respect for the elderly. You don't have any respect for those who have even gone ahead of you. Or politics mo. And to be an says, I mean, if you are very disrespectful, no problem. Whichever way, no, go for name. One will have thought, say, when you have the chance to serve this country now, you would use that chance to do good. So that people who are today poor like the way you were would benefit. And one day, no, almost met to me yet say, though, almost disrespectful, say na otieno. But because you see, Sikano, it reveals the true character of people. Because of that, instead of using Yensika to benefit or mind where, Sami Gyamfi is now using it to show us say on CEO. And next Sami Gyamfi to me share Ghana for him catch say akonya obet na so no say yankotofu from na ebru 42 million na onu ntina so Sami no ko Sami no eti nkunya bebre na e Old Bank of Ghana yi even nkunya na bank governor crowd team no Sami Gyamfi wo de untimi tina so enye sa gise koto 42 million nkunya brel enne Sami Gyamfi si onu neni ha no owani yare enti se yanko akoto TV 85 inches kesien pa edibetu ni officer onu Sami ultimate share TV. Na juma no yes ko share TV o wana say ko ejuma ma o man no. Mo atam yesika ko to 85 inches TV, over 20 of them. Ade Sami Gyamfi. Ko Sami. And then who ko Sami ultimate sign contract say ko for buy renovation. Na ko for buy renovation no contract ni mu no. Ebusanfo munu ya o contract ni mu. Wo be renovation wo obi fie. Obi dan ho a. Se nyama access e wo dan no no. Se wa na obeyi. Uyi wi na wasesan yesa. In the contract Sami Gyamfi sign no, sanyama access no before ombeyi sanyama free wo no, e sa ban tua ho ka. Workmanship for say nyama ombeyi. Na mu hwe contract na emu a Sa item nkwa every 1 billion. Me de beto screen no sama mo. Sa item no nkwa o say ebia window we na say ye free a. Se nipa obey contract na e say o ye no say ni dwuma no when you sa window no free wa. On me say san yes Ese san check ama sa nipa say wo de ko yi window no. There be. But your family and friends ni sole source in contract in sensema nsem bi say na yeka. Enti wow hwe me a o see kwen pains. Bisa hu say sa sika over 11 million as Gyamfi edi ye ne hu gbe no. Sa sika no wonya bi edi de. Wonya bi edi. Kuko nketekete no mpo ye se ensomu. Se anajo mahama edmi fan kuko baako na ya chama nipa 10 baako peo na chama nipa 10 se sunsum hunhum na ye chere ade no mintimi kire ba John mahama ban no mahalaya na ban enu no mahayenti obia na ban enu no ina ye tina ho saa yembre na anthem na dani ma emma obia anye dedi say anthem no sesi ya obia anye din muye ko na muhu se na NDC beye ombe panishimu ekomunkwa na mu beye din sana eko sesi ya. If we let's go and listen to my other people NDC MPP for putting on a brilliant argument before they was for your studio. Total cost near 25,000. What do you call dollars more $2,300. Kitchen bien so. Naban was screen as here. A pamucho boy. Why? Madam say. Now don't go anywhere. Let's listen to this.
Now you producer Mr. Oma me picture number 1. Che. Papa ya me den Facebook post about 23rd of September 2019 Standobi. Kind baby Amaseko said the former president observed that just like many other deals that had party cronies directly participating, some of the key persons involved in the renegotiated ECA deal and ECA energy deal are linked to the finance minister Kenufuriata and his data bank. Asema no mo kase nyina ne se MPP wa bemu na ye Kenufuriata ni Nekufuado ni omabusuafo ene fa efum niema wa bemu ene besen ko hwe gold board the same person ene onono a company correct also oye into your friend is saying renovation in asefo no. I am telling you say ya award a whopping 11 million Ghana cedis contract worth $1.1 million. Na Standogbe a deputy chief of staff. Ya can't be a chief of staff or ye the HR manager of the government. Deputy HR manager of the government no. Et me friend staff bako or ye gold board. Ye Rasami Gyamfi and a dano and okache and say me per contract we into farmer me. Now the next picture, I'm going to prove to you why. Tima munina ya dene tax it to Standogbe ka. Says, so there is nothing wrong with giving your company a contract to renovate an old Bank of Ghana building. I guess then, Busan is saying, Bonibia ni say, Wona we ye deputy chief of staff no. What now ama work about what would do company I j contract. Banya wo kasatia and maybe a terminal. Tiene response. Also, what is wrong with that? Hekasa. Unlike others who had their businesses they are connected to, my association with this and other businesses I've run for years is public knowledge. Now, Kenufuriata ni enterprise no sebe no akashe ni bottom. Nani pe hu? Yenim se Kenufuriata wo data bank wo kroma.
Right, obi ani.
Wo de kwa pia de oyaboa. Na wo Standogbe de wo na sefata wo. Kenufuriata de oye kakai me say they even spoke against Gabia Sari Ochreda kwa no ni position bia mpo wa ban mu. Today look at what you are doing. Now the third one. Obama me pese wo follow ade pa hwe receive na ebo ho no. Where you gold board letter. Omo de call PPA ekwaji approval for Standogbe contract no. Letter ni receiving on the 20th of June 2025. Wafa kwa chaka we phone so a Friday. Now procurement there were two types.
Yeah.
There were competitive and a non-competitive. Non-competitive ne ba so sourcing. The can na competitive.
Right.
Now all of these methods no enema two penetrate no. The edi kan a threshold. Threshold no be try so obeko for quotation, obeko for national competitive tendering, obeko for your friend is international competitive tendering at that two stage. And a circumstance so etimi ma okọ hwehwe mienu e restricted tendering any so sourcing.
Right.
Okay, sami Gyamfi letter na okọ paragraph 2 uzumi ni here say the gold board established blah blah blah. Okay, in the reasons are eda ho na or say omo call for restricted tendering. Obama offer Procurement Act na answer no be for restricted tendering no. Aje one of three things see.
Yeah.
The edi kind say adie na open no the entire country omo bi no a limited number. Ebia ye pe obi ama na kokra covid edro o hwehwe NS chemist o hwehwe your friend say East Cantonment Pharmacy mo no ma kokra sa edro no.
Yeah.
Good. The second reason is say ebia time a ye betna se dia kabo ma ye competitive tendering no ye disproportionate to the value ye kwa akoto no ebia be say be 3 weeks 1 month ye free high nko for expert a mo ba be hwehwem ne nasefo ebia ye be kabo no na de na ye koto no kra ne esua e na de twato ene say ebia why ye national competitive tendering na wie no obia amfa your friend say bedamba into ubeko restricted tendering. The entire maker way nyina say all these forms of procurement methods ewo ye Ghana ye mremu. Ye kasi obi ye lawyer nia. Ghana ha your friend nipa ne learned. Chere say nipa ne sua de na na tirim abobew. Into Samuel Gyamfi Sami Gyamfi ni tirim abobew. Now so jina NDC 360 so for Procurement Act to all the other methods catch the Ghana for say method as a Ghana ni bia som no to be the juma national competitive tendering.
Okay.
Now question is say ye den na Sami Gyamfi the okoye restricted tendering. Obama asem ni mo ya emu awrem. Now minia why your application we agency now why your application for restricted tendering no. O de call your friend is a PPA ebehwe niema be enan. The edikan Mbacho yenko fourth one. The edikan omo behwe reason a ode buy under section 38 a ode buy competitive tendering. Remember we so. Ebio behwe the value of the procurement activity. What's the estimate nyina den consultant estimate account.
Yeah.
No matter profile and technical responsiveness and others any shortlisted firms are ode aba. Obama, what is say ya tonkunya ya ma number da. Say ye koto ye procurement ye koto nkunya ya ama number so ya ama price. What be that? Obama me buza question what be that?
Obehu ba ko bo ansa na ohun ni nyina.
Mo na na hwede ye bo quantity zero. And so you trust allow a provisional sum of boardroom furniture item 1 million Ghana cedi. The tabri e de ama standogbe. Eni ninia company e friend correct say omo de omo nko di na mabuna e bre wo man mu a omo dira mikadi omo 220 Ghana cedis akoto security forms and tempenten kwa. This is what is happening in this country. Allow a provisional sum for office furniture be of 500,000. Aden. Ofa. Aden. Mumba swo man no e de akọ. Ehe na mo de ko. The sad thing a woman said this is a rehearsed your friend is saying Kronoa esi o man ma mi hu bi da.
Okay.
And the PPA boss is part. Yera Frank Manten, I'm going to prove to you. Sami Gyamfi in the letter ne call 20th June 2025 Friday. Mini am my last picture no. Na shade. My last picture no. Na date or Troy. Or Troy letter you 24th June, which is Tuesday. And the PPA board or part say Omotina say one day now kind letter now Zumi mame or say we refer to your letter blah 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 no about at the second emergency board meeting of the seats board held on Tuesday 24th June 2025. Now it's a Tuesday corona na board nitimitina so say Ghana yesika twetiro dio yesika twetiri die 11 million Ghana cedis yemfa master ndobi. Hey wafa.
Okay.
There be mianka Frank Mante. So what can I say about this criminal conductor? And you'll be no kumentio? And you'll be no kumentio? Hey, Ghana Mabunu bread. I don't know, Moyasa. Monko mo ba we a deputy chief of staff who pay million akese e na odi kofie. Yama wo dan free. Yama wo car free. Na enyame wawa ne kasa no because ne dwen no is at the highest apogee. Ono netimi pam etam military man no ato na sinchen. Na mampani the code of conduct wan ka hwe. Na Ghana for e de ani e hwe. Of akwate ya kwaso aban mu o. Omo wi omo nsanso mfiu. Ya ka wa be siasa no pa be defend om.
Na that's it.
Ale ni esa.
Aaron, I see you do antwi na wa wura mu no.